Hello everyone, this is Rise of Pokemon 56 here. I'm gonna move my mic a little bit closer. I know I uploaded a while, but whatever. Busy stuff in my life, that's all. So I want to talk about the prologue / chapter 1 and the rest of the chapters of YMMR Mystery Restarted V1. Now, what could I say about the first season of YMMR? Well, I'm gonna put it like this. It sucked so much. Back when I was now that I'm older and I'm looking back at this, what was I thinking? I didn't like how it started at all. The whole oh, I remember we were in a killer game. Ooh, look at this. Stuff like that. It didn't fit right. It's a new setting with new people. It's so stupid. This even happened in the prologue of V2. But I think it kind of fade in the back because I didn't want to be oh, this is not my first killing game and stuff like that, because it sounds cringy a lot. So if I have to rewrite it or something like that, it would be much better than this crap. So yeah, I just want to put out my opinion on the first season of YMMR. If I had to change YMMR V1, it would be give adventures more screen time, get some more plot with some of the other characters. Don't focus too much with the protagonist, aka myself, and do not put pointless stuff in there if you're not gonna bring it up again. For V3, I'm gonna make it better than the other two. My team, or the team behind it, they're gonna be how to put it, working hard on it. We put full focus to make it better than the other two. Even though YMMR V2 is really good so far, but V1 was a train wreck. So yeah, so that's just my input on YMMR V1 right now, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye bye.